Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Winding up the long
355. Nice. Nice, guys. Nice little touch and go. Dawson, you guys gonna kiss? You're gonna...
Jackson pulling his way in. That's Miziku on the floor. No foul. Tyreek George up there with him. Nicholas Jackson.
Oh, yes!
Pass 2, trying to stab it through for George.
Wow!
Purchase on the pass.
Holy shit! What the fuck are you doing?
So at least it's different. I know he's on high. Oh, that guy's. They just lost a bed.
Oh boy.
No, I don't. No. No. Got a tire. Oh, good. Come on. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
What the? Jesus Christ.
Them other people's kids. What's that, 9800?
980 plus. It's the QYT, not the TYT.
Oh, that's the one I got you.
Yeah, that's the one.
Can I read it? Well, good for you.
I got a couple of road ragers raging right around me. Freaking honking and cutting me off, going around me at a red light, and now they're in traffic in front of me pointing at each other. Now I think she looked back and noticed that I got light bars and I'm talking on a radio, so now she's freaking out.
Yeah, she probably doesn't care.
You want to pull it over?
Not encrypted or removed that.
Interesting.
Oh, shit.
Jesus fucking Christ! Are you fucking kidding me?
That guy with a warrant. And like more criminal general, like what's the process like to play a real person? I know that was a while ago too.
Yeah, but that one I remember because it had quite a big impact on me. But because I just got to.
Vibes, yeah. That when stuff like this happens and then there's just nothing left over and no this and no, whereas normally they'd go out and
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.